Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add faces to RH Dance Studio. So I'm just going to remove my face here in Avatar Editor, just remove it. And then I'm going to open up Roblox Marketplace and I'm going to find a face that I want. Then I'm just going to select the ID, so I'm just going to copy it, go back to Roblox, insert ID, and press this button. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions or if it didn't work for you, again, don't forget to just put it in the comment section down below. Again, it's in Avatar Editor under Insert ID. And make sure you search makeup and not like the full-on head. Alright, bye!